nkoko nketenkete any school fee the some same no already budget no wanka. He didn't talk about fuel, he didn't talk about water, electricity, food and all these things, transport. Wanka mu bia but onim say okase okoto sanitary pad aba. Ana oyi taxes a fee. Gambling no so na de a nkrofo support no. I don't let you say or a wicked man. He's somehow confused. But it is how it goes. The DM is vampire won't tell the China. After 4 years, IGP no buy him initially. Let me use the word initially. From the beginning of his appointment, you say he was doing very good. But Ekokoban said during the middle part of an assignment, Nanema has started a decline. I can say he wasn't strong emotionally, physically, spiritually, he came to be a believer or a Christian. We are talking about a job. Or try say open maintaining decency or police service it was quite working good. On what to be quite one thing, and maybe na or church said so better office now, and it was all going well. But somehow along the line, the political sentiment or phenomenon was attached to his duties. It don't mean fun and holding and yet do want to be brave. So I hear I say, Onyena Jumayi and now or a week. Most of his duties was being carried out from the Jubilee House. But if you are a civilian outsider, you wouldn't know it. Of course, you've got the police council and I order no, you be no bet me initiating the powers. I'm on my ear. Say yeah, and one say. Oko police service no more, which say neatness, kakra. He forced to acquire helicopters, motorbike, new houses, new cars for the police. But Nipa outside, they were looking at the other bad side. And the only ever credit man say, oh, Nipa, why the from there? He couldn't fulfill all his dreams as a police IGP. But remember, oh, ye be kakra. Yen come Mahama so. Obi Kasano or say, Ghana for ya doing form. Let me tell you, Ghana for doing form. Yen penny for not doing the form. Because over here, yen shepherds and ye flock in your know. And baby, I'm call as trainer. We keep following them. Mahama is a strategic man doing his job with psychology and lies. When he said illiteracy doesn't, because already when they can crack condemn, he say, I will refrain for in the past. When you baby or yara refuse be also no, if you have it to me for say, and you are trans here way, I would say, when he lied to us and trick us, it will, mafia, a lot of people they will get along with him. I didn't make us. Mosi boys we school are youth. Omunya adwuma ye. Enti sasika we ya. Ye de ekoto gold body. Enti sika de ekoto pad. And some other things. Enti get to be a factory ni bi wo Ghana ho na ye fa nye pad no bi e school for that na. They could have used this kind of huge amount to do something. Now to say 58 million. Ewo cathedral ne ho uselessly. And also Ekokotia 298 million for good board. You just start here, so also more musika. How is it going to be manned? How are they going to do it? Yewo gold for oil so are they going to operate 2 kinds of gold board? And you know, never be it's a means of using strategic point to steal money from the country, which is as simple as that. Because you need power I go to a key positions was a corner organizations with a company or my baby, you know. I say don't get your bar or no mahamaninuya savage all these things. A means of coming to take our money and steal from us. As simple as that.
Okay.
Okay, Manuel, you can make the last one.
Yo.
Aha, yeah, me can say.